But when Kapil Dev is there, so you have to, you can't escape.
नहीं मैं क्यों भागूं भाई? इतनी इज्जत और मान मिला है, why should I run away? No way. I'm part of sports fraternity, not only golf, cricket or anything. Sports fraternity.
So you've been a fast bowler who's never missed a test match. आप जब यंग लड़के आते हैं और स्पेशली जसप्रीत बुमराह की बात कर रहा हूँ, वो कहते हैं नहीं मैं 3 टेस्ट खेलूंगा या 4 खेलूंगा, whatever their medical condition is, it could be different. आपको कैसा लगता है? What is your thought?
I think everybody is different. You know, जो आज से 30 साल पहले गोल्फ खेला करते थे, अगर वो 260 का ड्राइव मार देते थे, टॉप प्लेयर वो कहते थे बहुत बड़ा है. आज एक लड़का 4 आयन लेके 260 मार देता है. So the time have changed, bodies are different, they are working differently. So I think it's very difficult to judge one person. Yes, he's one of the finest bowler we have, but I think his action is so awkward. To sustain this this part, I think fabulous. हमने नहीं सोचा था वो इतना लंबा खेल पाएगा, क्योंकि वो इतना स्ट्रेस अपनी बॉडी पे लेता है. हर एक का अपना अपना बॉडी है. So I think still he is delivering to the Indian team. Hats off to him.
Just 1 or 2 tests.
चलो देखो, हम तो ये कहेंगे कि जैसे विराट कोहली है, रोहित है, सचिन, ये कभी रिटायरमेंट ना ले. एज ए स्पेक्टेटर, एज द लवर ऑफ द गेम, बट एक ना एक दिन जाना है.
Sir, one related question to this: the Indian bowling, particularly in the Manchester Test, it came out quite disappointingly. Your thoughts on getting somebody like Anshul Kamboj, who's just bowling 120s, 130s?
आप डेब्यू में क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं? कोई 10 विकेट ले ले. I think you want to see the ability. If he is good enough, he will bounce back. बहुत नर्वस होते हैं पहली बार टेस्ट क्रिकेट खेलते हुए. You just have to see, does he have enough potential? That's more important. And I think this team showed that. Yes, result is not as good as that, but I think the ability and the flair in them, they have that.
Sir, just in terms of all-rounder, the great all-rounder you were yourself, just wanted a word on Ben Stokes. How do you sort of compare yourself, if you do at all?
I don't want to compare.
So he
is a good all-rounder and great all-rounder, but I still feel Jadeja is little up still. No, I think Jadeja is still performing far better.
सर, आपको क्या लगता है कि नीतीश कुमार रेड्डी भी अगला कपिल देव हो सकते हैं?
Okay, I think
मेरे को ये लगता है कि चाय कॉफी का टाइम होगा.